Click the CAD Measure Teach Cloud feature. Select the cloud surface. Click the Create Path button after every change. Click OK to accept this cloud feature. Click the CAD Measure Teach Cloud feature button. Select the cloud surface. Click OK to accept the cloud feature. Right-click in this field to select a new view. Click the CAD Measure Teach Cloud feature button. Select the cloud surface. Click Create Path after any changes. Click OK to accept this cloud feature. Select the Alignment tab. Click the Cloud to CAD button. Click the All Clouds button. Click the OK button. The Cloud to CAD Best Fit Result window opens. CMM Manager knows how much to offset the origin based on the nominal values from the model. Click the Confirm button. The part is now aligned to the